So today you said that you have a 12 crore portfolio.
Yeah.
So how are you managing this portfolio today, considering everything that's happening?
As I said, when I come to know what I did a mistake is the gold, I started to now selling and coming into bonds. Because already our inflation is high, currency is depreciating.
Yes.
Altogether, you are putting in a FD, you means you are loser. Simple.
Yes.
You are putting in a real estate, you are loser.
Yes.
Even if your company giving 3%, 4%, somebody saying, "Hare, 4% मेरे को increment मिल गया," you are fool. That's it.
Yeah.
So where there is my age, I am telling you my age. As an Indian,
how old
40,
are you?
43.
43.
I say, in my age, I have a daughter, I want to a peaceful life as an Indian. I want fixed income, I went to bond. Now I am getting a 10 to 11% in a monthly. I invested in around 3.5 crores in a bonds.
10 to 11% annualized, no?
Annualize. It's enough for me. It is around 3 lakhs per month. I'm getting an interest, living with my family. I'm not doing anything, just being in the home, spend the quality of. So the portfolio wise, I've just shifted from 2022. I've taken into bond. Equity zero now.
Okay.
India is definitely we are growing country, but as of age of 44, I don't want to take my risk, my kids, everybody in the risk. I want to live peacefully. Equity to hai, definitely it will go high, but it is not right age for me.
But you're just 40.
Yes, 40. कौन देगा? अभी I want to retire. कौन देगा? Equity what you will give? Okay, you will think about if I am in a SWP. I put it in SWP now. Think about. Now that day, 3 years before, I'm talking about. 82, currency is 82. Now 93.
96.
Now already you are losing 12%.
But even if you keep in a bond, you're still losing money, no?
No, 11% monthly, yearly I'm getting 11%, 7% I am beating.
Okay.
The 4% I am entering into now global invest.
Okay.
I started into global invest just 7 months before, after having this crisis and everything.
So 11% fixed?
Fixed.
But you'll have to pay tax also, no?
Yes, tax, yes. The TDS deduction is there.
Right. So after tax, I think it'll still be like 7-8% for you.
No. What you are talking? No. See, even if your TDS, it's a deduction, it's a interest, it is a 10%, right? Interest, in the interest, it is a 10%. So even if you go on deduction and everything, it is comes on 10.2 something.
Okay.
That's enough for me because fixed, highly regulated, SEBI regulated, RB is there.
No, but the entire interest is taxed as per your income slab, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And your income slab is 30%.
Exactly. No, yes, again, I'm paying the tax, we are doing the things, but anyway, there are now new things are there. You know very well, right? You are the one educating us and you tell me. I have a mother. I have my wife. Now let it be in 3 accounts. I'm just having 3 accounts, right?
Okay, I understood. Yeah, please continue. I know the game. But
Yes, you know the game, right? So being my wife, there is something some part, and 25% is my mother's and 35% is myself. That's it. Now you know the maths.
Because you're retired, you don't have a salary, you're taking advantage of the new tax regime, 12 lakhs exemption.
Exactly.
So you pay zero tax.
Yeah, exactly. So even for me, it is coming the tax. Anyway, I am paying the tax. But what I'm saying to the individual, those who are age 40, 42, be in debt, be in a fixed income, that is better.
So how much percent of your money is in bonds today?
It's
Fixed
around
income?
3.4 crores.
3.4
crores.
So there is another 9 crores in other things.
Other things.
What is that? Other things. 9 crores.
I have a flat in which is bought in Chennai.
Okay.
That's around 70 lakhs. Now it is around, it's going on 90 something.
90 lakhs.
Yeah, 90.
How big is this apartment?
Its apartment is a 900 square feet.
900
square feet. And there is a land which is I bought in the older time. There is around 3,400 square feet in Trichy. There is a 4 land, but different area. So there around 1.6 crores.
Okay.
And mutual funds for my daughters now. I kept each 1 crore portfolio.
To each of your daughters.
Each of my daughter, 1 crore, 1 crore
So
portfolio.
they are sorted now.
Then the gold, my dear, waste of currency, dead economy, it is my locker. Now bringing into.
So gold you have about 3 crores.
Yes, exactly. Now I want to.
Now you're selling slowly.
Yeah, slowly.
Why not all at once?
I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it because 20% I want the gold. Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. I need, as a father, my daughters, I need at least 400 gram.
Not
That's
just
enough.
that. Like you said, the world is very uncertain today.
Yeah.
And Trump doesn't seem like he's predictable.
Yeah.
And we might end up in a World War III. And in that kind of a situation, gold should do really well, right?
Can I tell you? Now there is a world war is come. Okay. You tell me. You have now 100 gram in your hand.
Okay.
There is a world war. Where is the area? Which area it is? Andheri West.
No.
कौन सा एरिया भाई?
This is Andheri West.
अंधेरी वेस्ट है ना?
Yeah.
अंधेरी वेस्ट में तो टैंकर चल रहा अभी.
Okay.
Fighting is happening. कौन लेगा आपका गोल्ड?
No, maybe the war won't
अरे
come
everybody
to-
will look their life. Bank will shutter will close. Seth already is escaped. Where you will go and sell it?
No, what I mean by that is...
Flight will be closed. Once again.
And if India is in war, then it's
अरे
game
भाई,
over.
yes, game over ना.
Yeah.
किधर सेव कर रहा है? So many people are talking this. अगर कुछ ना कुछ हो गया तो ये गोल्ड हेल्प करेगा. हाँ, हेल्प करेगा. अगर there is a war in your street, what gold will do?
No, for that kind of a situation, probably I need to have a second passport to go to another country. But then rich people actually have that.
Yeah,
they have
yeah.
2-3 passports,
Yeah, yeah,
and they can change their citizenship overnight.
Yeah.
I've studied about it.
Sir, but can I tell you one thing? Those who are talking this, they're predicting, I don't want to say nonsense, but they're thinking that. Do you think the probability is there?
Of what?
Bankrupting the India? No.
I think there is a
No,
slight
wait.
probability.
We are not Sri Lanka.
Definitely.
We are not Bangladesh. We are not Kenya. We are not Zimbabwe.
Not bankrupting, but I think situations can get worse from here also.
Yeah. Maybe our INR can go 100 or 120 or something. It
Yes,
can go.
definitely.
The 20% of gold can be for the hedging for insurance. That's it.
Because
And
gold takes care of currency
That's it.
depreciation.
That's enough. And 20% you put it in a global invest.
Yeah.
That ETF, whatever you go on ETF, buy
Yeah.
Japan ETF, Korean ETF, and Canada ETF, and Mexico ETF, Brazil ETF, whatever.
So you bought all of this?
Yes, sort of this.
Glad you made it till here. If this gave you even one idea to improve your finances, send it to a friend. Helping them might just make you the smartest person in their group chat. And don't miss the full episode on Finance with Sharan. There's a lot more where this came from.